Today, I'm going to remove the rear bumper of this vehicle. This is a 1994 Honda Accord. The removal of this bumper is pretty similar to other Honda vehicles. I'm kinda surprised that the bumper is held by plastic clips instead of the traditional metal bolts, which are commonly used on lower trim models of the Hondas back in the 90s. On top of the bumper, there are 5 plastic clips to remove. Loosen and remove the screw. Take off the plastic washer clip. Underneath, there will be 2 plastic clips. There is 1 screw under the arch, and another one on the fender liner. A screw that holds the mudguard. Working on old cars can be stressful. Some bolts are not original anymore. Most of them are rusted. One thing I discovered is that this screw is bolted into the chassis. Don't forget to remove the other side too. Then gently pull the bumper. You can unplug the electrical socket or twist and pull the whole piece. Now take the bumper away. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless.